Hello, my name is Maria Appelqvist and I'm here today with...
Chris Cooper.
This is such an important topic of the whole relationship intelligence. I'm doing a very exciting workshop upcoming on the meaning of this wheel, but also you will get different kind of communication exercises where you will learn more. Today we're talking about practice. Chris?
Practice, yes. So
that's why you came to Sweden.
Well, it is, in fact, why I came to Sweden. Yeah, it's certainly one of the dominant reasons was to find an orgasmic meditation partner, which in Corona times is a little bit difficult. I reached out on Facebook, and Maria said I was actually looking for a partner, and we've come together with a shared desire for practice. And we now practice every single day for the last nearly half a year now, I think. And
and here's the thing: is when we have an advanced practice of orgasmic meditation. I would say this is advanced, but the practice is also like sharing a cup of tea together and sitting, deliberately spending 10 minutes together with your cup of tea and having a conversation. Like doing that on a regular basis, that is a practice. Another practice is to, for instance, be aware of your feminine and masculine, how it's playing out in your life. So practice can take many different forms.
And I think going for a walk together is would be classified as part of practice. But yeah,
practice is something that you actually have to sometimes force yourself to do it. When they say in yoga is a practice, and the biggest hurdle in yoga is to actually get on the yoga mat, right? But if you're on the yoga mat, you do the practice. So it's something about practice. It's like you always have to come back to the practice. It's something like it's not easy. Like you have to commit to the practice and consciously choose it. Yeah. And I think a lot of couples and in people who are in relationships, they either unconsciously they create practice, like maybe they have a glass of wine together, but the whole idea of practice is also to be attentive on each other and being present. Being focused.
Yeah, so for every day we have there's a 15-minute practice, maybe a little bit longer in total, but yeah, we come together, we're sharing orgasmic meditation, and we're following up with sharing frames and eye gazing, and it's a very connected practice, both on a physical but more on a...
it's also communication. Communication, so it fosters a lot of things. Anyway, if you're curious to learn more about all this and how practice could be a part of your relationship intelligence, come to the online workshop I'm doing.
And learn more.